DOMH stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm observing and looking at Dominari Holdings, and it's just delivering. You know, I absolutely love it. 17.31% down. Generally speaking, I'm still looking to take things up. Although I'm not going to be buying randomly. The previous long that I kind of was a part of here. Here's when it was called out. Wrong. There you go. Like, this was made 12th of February, and then DOMH, you know, 678. Before anything happened, boom, 13 delivered. Very open-minded to still continue and double down on this higher time frame, you know, bullish, just take new highs out and buy. But you have to understand that this is really not what my rules are met. It must break a little bit lower and then give me the rules deeper. Other than that, I'm just not gonna buy, you know. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.